Hi, Nick from Axiom Machinery here. We're at FABTECH Toronto exhibiting some incredibly innovative machinery from our MetalPress Machinery division. Right here behind me, you can see we're exhibiting our top sellers. We got our 4-post servo press, we got our water channel cleaning machine, and we got our coil tipper. We're also sharing some information on our press brakes from the Titan series line, and a lot of people have been asking about the Ironworkers. Come take a look.